Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about a sander, not just any sander, Josh. This is the Festool Rotex
Festool, my favorite.
125 Orbital Sander. The whole reason I got into Festool stuff was because they make really good sanders. They're a little bit more expensive, but they've done a lot to dampen the vibration. So like you could be sanding all day and still go home and feel your hand.
It's not numb at
It's
the end
not
of the
numb
day
at the end of the day.
morning.
This one in particular is really cool. It's an orbital sander or random orbital sander.
Okay.
So it has two different patterns built in. One of them is super aggressive, like almost as aggressive as like a belt sander.
Wow.
And the other one is finer. And it's just a really
I love
great
the
piece of
grips on
machinery.
it too. Like
Yeah.
you could, like you said, aggressive. You could get two hands into it if you needed to. That's a variable speed. I see.
Variable speed.
Like
They make a couple different heads for them. One is softer, so you can be more aggressive. They make a harder one too if you're just doing fine surface sanding.
Do they make different size heads?
They don't make different size heads, but they have different size sanders. So there's also, I think, a 3-inch version of this and
Nice.
a 6-inch version of this.
Nice.
So that said, I fire her up.
One-handed. Nice.
And then you can switch to the more aggressive.
Okay.
So the more aggressive mode.
Oh, and it looks like it picked up some speed. Yeah. Cool. Can't even tell there's a joint there.
Yeah, they work really well. The Festool sandpaper also tends to last for a long time. The whole pattern is unique to Festool, so you have to use their sandpaper, but
Still,
it's a
great
premium
product.
sandpaper too.
I love the Festool stuff, but the problem is Andrew has a small arsenal that's sort of, I don't know if you guys, we haven't talked about this, but it makes all his tools happen on the weekends and the weekdays to make it back into his office against the wall. So I don't get to play with his toys sometimes.
I'm happy to share at some points.
While you're watching.
While I'm watching,
Make me nervous.
So the one drawback about this is the price. It's $490 for the sander.
Honestly?
Yeah.
I'm not, that's actually, I thought it would have been more expensive than that.
It's a premium tool, but they're built for professionals. It'll last forever. If you have any issues, you can send it back to Festool. They'll service it. They actually have like a 48-hour turnaround time for fixes because they are servicing professionals.
Small.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's the Festool Rotex 125.
Rotex.
Rotex, $490. You can get it online, Amazon, and at your local woodworking shops.
Cool.
Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.